Do you know what are the types of cell? There are two main types of cells, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are small, simple cells that lack a nucleus and many other organelles found in eukaryotic cells. They are found in bacteria and archaea, which are single-celled organisms that lack a distinct nucleus. Prokaryotic cells have a cell membrane, a cell wall, and a cytoplasm that contains various structures and molecules necessary for the cell's function. Eukaryotic cells are larger and more complex than prokaryotic cells, containing a nucleus and a variety of organelles that carry out specific functions. Eukaryotic cells are found in plants, animals, fungi, and protists. In addition to a cell membrane, eukaryotic cells also have a variety of organelles, such as mitochondria, which generate energy for the cell, the endoplasmic reticulum, which is involved in protein synthesis and transport, and the Golgi apparatus, which modifies and packages proteins for transport. Eukaryotic cells can be further classified into two main categories based on their structure and function. Plant cells. Plant cells are eukaryotic cells that have a cell wall made of cellulose. Chloroplasts, which are involved in photosynthesis, and a large central vacuole, which is involved in storing nutrients and water. Animal cells. Animal cells are eukaryotic cells that lack a cell wall and chloroplasts, but contain various organelles involved in specific functions such as digestion, waste removal, and movement. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel if you like this video.